We're now going to find the average rate of change of a function. Whenever you hear the words average rate of change, think slope. For example, with the function f of x equals negative 2x squared plus 4, we want to find the average rate of change from 0 to 2. That essentially means that we want to find the slope of the line connecting the points at x equals 0 and x equals 2. Remember, the slope of a line is the change in y over the change in x. So, for our average rate of change, we want the change in y, which using function notation is f of 2 minus f of 0, over the change in x, which is 2 minus 0. F of 2 is found by evaluating the function f at 2. So we let x equal 2 in the function, and this is going to be f of 2. We then subtract from that f of 0, which is negative 2 times 0 squared plus 4, and that's all over 2 minus 0, or 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. So that's f of 2. Minus negative 2 times 0 squared is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. So that's f of 0. And that's all over 2. Negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. So the average rate of change of the function between 0 and 2 is negative 4. Thought of from a geometric point of view, the slope of the line containing the points at x is 0 and x is 2 on the function is negative 4. Now let's do a couple more. For example, suppose we wanted the average rate of change from 1 to 3. That basically means that we want the slope of the line between x is 1 and x is 3, or we want f of 3 minus f of 1, your change in y, over 3 minus 1, your change in x. Well, if we find f of 3, we determine it to be negative 14. F of 1 is found to be 2, and that's all going to be divided by 2. Negative 14 minus 2 is negative 16. Negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. Let's do one more. Suppose we want the average rate of change from 1 to 4. That means we want to know f of 4 minus f of 1 divided by 4 minus 1. F of 4 is negative 28. Minus f of 1 is 2, divided by 4 minus 1, or 3. So we get negative 30 divided by 3, which is negative 10. Again, to help remind you what this means, the slope of the line between 1 comma f of 1 and 4 comma f of 4 is negative 10.